All right, so now in this problem, it says Ralph bought a computer monitor with the area of 384 square inches. So right off the bat, I'm just going to say that the area is equal to 384 inches squared. And then it says the monitor is 6 times the quantity of 5 less than half its width. So we're going to make an assumption on this. So a monitor is kind of like it's kind of like this, right? A computer monitor. I'm just kind of sketching what a computer monitor might look like, right? It's kind of like a box. It might be rectangular, it might be square, but it's saying that the width, so I'm going to label this as the width. No, it's saying that the length is a bunch of stuff compared to the width. Do I know anything about the width? No. So I'm just going to leave the width as W. And then it says the monitor is 6 times the quantity, 5 less than 1/2 its width. So 1/2 times W minus 5 times 6. All right, so it says complete the equation. So what I know is that the area is equal to the length times the width. Well, what's the area? 384. What's the length? Oh, all this stuff. 6 times 1/2 times W, 6 times the quantity of 5 less. Oh man, I'm gonna have to double check this one because I'm not sure if it's 6 times 1/2. I think I have it written down right, but I'm gonna double check this at the end to make sure. So minus 5, it's a good thing I did this problem. Now what is that? That's just the length. Now I gotta multiply that by the width, which is just W, okay? All right, well, I'm gonna have to do some distribution. First thing, I can multiply 6 times W. So in the next line, I'm gonna have 384 is equal to 6 times W times 1/2 W minus 5. Now I did that because then I can distribute this 6W all in one quick swoop there, okay? I'm just trying to hurry up and pull this up. Now, what do you think I need to do next? Yeah, I got to distribute that 6W through the parentheses, right? So what's 1/2 of 6? 3. So this becomes 3W squared. And then what's 6W times negative 5? No. So it's going to be 6 times 5, which is 30. But what's 6 times negative 5? Negative 30. And then the W gets tacked on. So I think if I'm interpreting the question correctly, that should be the right answer. So I'm just going to double check the key on this one to make sure. But I'm pretty sure, because you notice how they said the quantity. So let me just see. That was which question? Number 16. All right, let me see what I got here. Dun, 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 dun. 3W squared. Yep, that's the right answer. I mean, what do you think it would be? I mean, Mr. Adams. Well, I mean, what did you expect? Yeah, I'm Tom. What did you expect? Mr. Adams. Heavy on the Mr. there, Slick. All right, any questions on this? All right, good job, guys. That is the last problem of the day.